Join me as I dive deep into whether Fngr stock is about to explode, and I'll share my predictions for the future. Fngr stock has been making some serious waves lately, with its price fluctuating wildly over the past few months. This volatility isn't just a Fngr-specific issue. The entire market has been experiencing a rollercoaster ride, with tech stocks being hit particularly hard. As an investor, it's essential to understand the current trends and what they might mean for Fngr's future. One of the significant challenges facing Fngr stock right now is market volatility. With interest rates changing and global economic uncertainty, a lot of investors are getting a little spooked. Fngr hasn't been immune to these market swings, and its stock price has reflected that. Another criticism is that some investors are skeptical about Fngr's long-term growth strategy, wondering if the company can keep up with its competitors. The tech industry is super competitive, and Fngr needs to keep innovating to stay ahead. Critics argue that the company hasn't been as innovative as it once was, which could impact its stock performance. Additionally, there are concerns about Fngr's financials, specifically regarding its recent earnings reports. The numbers haven't been as strong as investors had hoped, leading to some sell-offs. Fngr's struggles with scaling its business are also a point of concern. As the company tries to expand, it's running into some roadblocks that make investors question its potential. Despite these challenges, some experts believe Fngr has a solid foundation and could recover. Several factors could influence Fngr's performance in the coming months. For one, the company has a major product launch on the horizon, which could either excite or disappoint investors, depending on the details. Fngr is also looking to expand into new markets, which could provide a much-needed boost to its growth. Industry trends, particularly in tech, are also playing a role. As more investors focus on sustainable and innovative companies, Fngr might benefit from this shift. The success of Fngr's new product will likely have a significant impact on its stock price. If the product resonates with consumers, we could see Fngr's stock start to soar. On the other hand, if it flops, it could spell trouble for the company's future. Fngr's market expansion plans are also crucial. Entering new markets could provide a substantial source of revenue. Expert opinions on Fngr vary widely, with some analysts predicting a significant increase in stock value. They point to the company's strong brand and loyal customer base as reasons for optimism. Data also suggests that Fngr's financials are improving in some areas, which could support a stock price increase. The upcoming earnings report is also a critical factor. If Fngr exceeds expectations, it could gain more investor confidence. All these factors combined give us a mixed but cautiously optimistic outlook on Fngr's potential. So here's the key insight: despite the challenges, I believe Fngr stock has the potential to explode in the near future. This prediction is based on the company's solid foundation, innovative product pipeline, and potential for market expansion. Several experts agree, pointing to Fngr's resilience in the face of market volatility. The data supports this optimism, with some analysts forecasting a significant increase in Fngr stock value over the next year. Of course, no one can predict the market with certainty, but the signs are looking positive. The market context is also favorable, with tech stocks starting to rebound. The expert opinions I've considered all point to a positive outlook for Fngr. They highlight the company's strengths and its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. All these factors combined lead me to believe that Fngr stock could be on the verge of a significant increase. Recapping, we've discussed Fngr's recent trends, the challenges it faces, and the factors that could influence its performance. From market volatility and investor skepticism to upcoming product launches and market expansion, there's a lot to consider when evaluating Fngr stock. If you're as intrigued as I am about Fngr's potential, share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Fngr stock is about to explode, or are there concerns that might hold it back? Let's discuss. And if you're interested in more investment insights, be sure to check out my next video for deeper analysis on other stocks and market trends.